Skvagerson, and I welcome you to the first episode of this two-part Crochet Skill Builders video tutorial. I'm excited to be showing you in detail how to work the very special stitches used in our popular Waterfall Crochet 3-color throw designed by Joanne Gonzales. In these upcoming tutorials, I will show you how to use 3 different colors without any mid-row color changes or carrying along additional strands. This is a brand new technique to me. I think it's super cool, and I can't wait to share how to work this gorgeous waterfall color work with you all.